Hey everybody, today in this video we are gonna cover elevated button widget. Let's jump right into the code. So here in the build method I am returning an elevated button. Inside the child I am giving it a text for the button label. One interesting thing about elevated button is how it handles its onPress property. If I set onPressed null and hit save, the button still appear on the screen, but it's disabled and you can't press on it. So you don't need any custom logic to disable the button, just simply pass it to null. Now if I replace null with the function inside onPressed and hit save, the button becomes active again. After that, let's style the button using the style property. So here I pass elevated button.style from inside. Firstly, I'll give it a background color, and then in shape I'll give it a 12 pixels of rounded corners, and for padding I'll give vertically 15 pixels. If I save it, button does not look very good yet because it's not taking full width. To fix that, I'll wrap it inside a size box and give it a width of infinity. Once I save it, now our button is looking good. To add elevation, I'll set it at 5, and in shadow color I'll pass it a gray color and hit save. Now our button is lifted up from the surface. Lastly, if you want a color to appear when the button is pressed, use the overlay color property. I have passed a blue color here and save it. Now when I am pressing the button, you can see a nice blue effect on the button, and that's the elevated button widget in Flutter. If you want the source code, check out my GitHub, link is in description.